They call them the 12 o'clock boys because they drop the bike straight back. If you get to 12 o'clock, you the shit. I've been on this earth for a decade and a couple years. So what that makes me, I'm a grown-ass man.
Baltimore City, Sunday. Fuck City Council, fuck the police, any of them that tries to stop us. This is our shit. Fucking bird watching us now.
I hit the tree and got knocked out conscious. I like the rush of it. Any nigga want it, they can come get it.
This one right here, I don't know where he came from. He just wild.
You gonna hurt yourself on them bikes. Them bikes is dangerous.
No matter if I fall, break my arm, anything, I'm hopping back on this bike.
You keep hanging with these dudes. Shit is real out here, and them police is not playing.
That's how we do, man, all day. Fuck the police. We live above authority down here.
You can't just ride, call yourself a 12 o'clock boy, and then stop.